What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TC, and I will say I'm back with another video, but what's understood really don't need to be explained. But anyway, I don't want to bore you guys with my about me, but make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I got the Cybertruck, and let's get straight into it. I've been waiting for so long to be able to drive this car. And now that the moment is here, I'm excited. Hey man, it's a beautiful car, man. Oh yeah, let's go. So let's get into it. I've had the truck for almost 24 hours. Not really, but close enough. And it's growing on me, I will say that. I feel like I did need to test drive it, because if I didn't, then it would have been able to, I don't think I would have appreciated it as much. 30 minutes when it did is good. I think as time went on, I started to like it more. So by me liking it more, by me driving it more, it starts to grow on you after a while. But overall it is a good car, and I would recommend it for like if you have a family. But the price point, that's the problem with me. I feel like the price point could be better. It is priced at $80,000. Now that is brand new. The thing is, you don't really need to buy it brand new. If I would recommend you just get it used, because if it's used, then they put a couple miles on there, then it brings the value of the car down, right? I mean, you don't eat up all the like interest that comes with a new car. So by being used, they instantly brings the price down. There's nothing wrong with buying a used car, because at the end of the day, you're gonna use the car. What is the difference? Just somebody else drove it. Oh, big deal. It's not a big deal. You get a used car, so you get a better price, and you can feel a little bit more comfortable about it. So, but just make sure it's good. Don't get no crazy ass mileage and stuff like that. But yeah. Me personally, I like the fact that the car is a little different as far as the looks. A lot of people don't like it, but it's called innovation. Just because something is different does not mean it's ugly, or just some people are just not willing to embrace change, and some people are. But the thing about change is, whether you're ready to embrace it or not, it's going to happen. Now, this is a sturdy truck. Space that you have to load and unload, and the car capacity to sit for a family, the combination is really, really good. So overall, this is a practical vehicle. So with that being said, if you're looking for practicality, I don't really know why you wouldn't be interested in this, because it's practical. You got the winter time, you got the space, like I said, in the trunk. You got space in the actual car. It's quick, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the fact that this truck drives the same speed as my Tesla Model 3 long range, that's a big deal. Like, it feels good though. Like, it feels good. You gotta experience it to really truly know what I'm saying, like, and why I'm saying what I'm saying. Shit was a little too damn dark. I kind of want to stand on the thing like Elon Musk did, but then I ain't got Elon Musk money, so I mean, I'll try. I'll take my shoes off and try it. Oh wait, it's still going. I thought it died. All right, the thing died, so let me hurry up and try to get up on here. Oh, I guess it is sturdy. Well, I ain't about to do too much, but that's good enough. So yeah, it's about sturdy as he said it is. Plus, I don't weigh 300 pounds, so it's all good. Yeah, my camera about to die, man. I'm sorry, dude. I'm trying to give y'all a good video, and it's like everything wanted to get in the way of that. All right. Now these tires is huge. They're like 22 inches, and I think it's fire. It's one of my favorite parts of the car is the tires, the big tires. I like the tires and the fact that the car will raise up. Now let me see if I can do that while we're here. That's if it's not risen already. So, as you can see, it has officially raised up. So, to be honest, man, it's fire. It's fire. I would like to see the longevity of the car, though, how it holds up, you know, when it rides. I'm gonna have to check, really, like, watch YouTube and see what people say about it, because that's very important. Because you don't want, like, all these type of things to start happening, and then you got to pay for it. And then I also heard, I don't know if it's true or not, but they said something about they not continuing to make these. That's probably, I don't even know why I even listen to that. That don't even make sense. But yeah, my Tesla does great in the winter. Can't imagine what this is doing in the winter. I know it's got to be fun. I'll be in this doing donuts and all type of stuff. Let me I'm gonna lower it too. Now when you lower it, it usually takes longer. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. So yeah, let's get to the interior. In the back seat, you do get a touchscreen. Let's see the brightness. Let's say move that. Oh, you can move the front seat forward. Wow. Now I'm not gonna lie. The experience from the back. Hold up. We definitely go. We gotta pause that, because that's crazy. No diddy. All right, the experience from the back though, like this is not from the back seat experience is nice. The vibe. You know, I feel like it would be a better experience from if you had a driver. Obviously, you would need some good money for that, but like if you had a driver to drive you around where you going, that's the ultimate goal, to have a driver drive. You get your car, you hire a nigga to drive you wherever you need to go. You enjoy the back seat. You still do what you need to get done. You focus more because you don't have to drive. Like, that's something I can get used to. I ain't gonna lie. That would be amazing. I might have to try that one day. Like, just hire somebody to drive me wherever I want to go. Pay them like $200 in a day. Like, bro, I'm gonna need you for like 5 hours. Just drive me wherever I gotta go. Get you on your date, and y'all just get in the back seat. That's fire. I thought this was a window that went down. That could just be the C8 I'm confusing it with. Hey man, I didn't tell you to go down. Let's see how far this go down though. Oh wow, this one go all the way down. And my Tesla, it don't. The window doesn't roll all the way down. That's good that they added that on here. Definitely didn't have my microphone on. And now that I'm thinking about it, y'all probably didn't hear none of that shit I was saying. So I'm well, I'll do a voiceover for the other stuff. So anyway, what I was saying is I'm doing a full self-driving to what the hell? What the fuck is this doing? Well, anyway, right now I'm doing a full self-drive to drop this little piece of shit off. Cause I'm calling it a piece of shit because it ain't mine. I'm not sure why this car is driving so damn slow, but it needs to hurry up. All right, so yeah, what I was saying was, I'm not sure if I'm completely sold on the Cybertruck. This is all-wheel drive. If I did get a Cybertruck, I definitely would want the foundation, but the foundation costs too much money. It's too much money. So I really need to see about the Model X. I need to test drive the Model X because the all-wheel drive is good. It's nice, but like I want that next level speed where it's like, whoa. No, I don't want the same speed I already just came off of. Now this is a whole nother experience type of truck, so it's not the same. But y'all get what I'm trying to say, man. You know, ain't nothing wrong with wanting more and better. But it ain't also nothing wrong with staying the same. Plus, the car that I want, the other vehicle that I want is a Camaro, and not a Camaro. It's a Corvette, a C8 Corvette. My goal was to have a C8 Corvette and a Cybertruck, but I don't know how I'm feeling about that now because of the price points. That's the only reason why I'm like second guessing it. But I'm gonna see if I can test drive the Model X. I'm gonna see if they tripping about that or not. Yeah, if they ain't tripping about it, I'm pretty sure they'll let me. Like, I don't really see why they wouldn't. Especially, you know, since I did good with this one. I'm gonna actually see about that. I'm gonna see about that when I go up there. But yeah, so if you want a family car that looks cool, if you want a car that looks good, got speed, got space, it's practical, you can load stuff, you can carry stuff along with the load, electric, you get full self-drive. I mean, you know, it's the car for you. It's a good car, you know. If you ain't really tripping about speed, I would say, if you don't care about speed, I would say get the lowest version of this and get the big tires. All the interior is the same. The only thing probably changed, I don't know for sure, so don't quote me, but only thing that I think that changes for sure is the speed. The interior is the same though. So yeah, the interior is the same. Lovely interior. The ride is very smooth. You don't feel bumps like that.
Now turn left onto Alexander Road.
Y'all gotta, you have to appreciate full self-driving though. The full self-driving, I feel like we all kind of look at it like, oh, you know, yeah, full self-driving. Nigga, the car is driving by itself. I'm not touching nothing. Y'all see, I'm moving, right? I'm going to the destination. I practically got a driver. Now, when you do get the I feel like I seen something. Either you get a year full self-driving or you get a self-driving, period. But I don't really know for a fact. But if you don't have that, you can pay for it for $99 a month. $99 a month. I'm going to do that on my Tesla because I do want that full self-driving experience sometimes. And it's not winter, so that it is a good time to try it. So I will be doing that. So, you know, keep an eye out for that video. That'll be coming soon. Trying to think if there's anything else that I want to say. I do like the dome light inside. That's pretty nice. The strip that go all the way around. All the new Tesla models have the strip that goes around. I wish they would have had it, but hey, you know, it is what it is. I don't like the new seats on the Model X. I mean, on a Model Y and a Model 3. Because they look like they get dirty faster. The other ones the ones that's later years, the seats are very, very easy to clean. But because I think these seats are ventilated, so like you get airflow through as well. So that's probably why they got the hose in it. Matter of fact, let me turn that shit on right now. Wait, I'm tripping. Yeah, cool seats is I ain't gonna lie, that's a good I like that element. That's pretty nice. That's fire. But yeah, this is a player car though. Like this is a boss vehicle. I will say that. There's a person right there. I didn't even see it. I seen it on the screen first. Yeah, you definitely gonna get looks. People gonna look at you when you got this Cybertruck. You're getting looks. And I think I'm about to kill a squirrel because this bitch is okay, never mind. Yeah. I don't know what the hell wrong with squirrels, man, but squirrels and deers, them bitches is just dumb. But yeah, man, it's your boy TC, man. Thanks for tuning in to the video, man. I got more I'm gonna be posting more. I already got a video like in the chamber. I'm just being me, man. That's it. Like, I don't have no niche. I'm just doing me. The whole point is to grow as a person. Growth. Becoming a better person. More knowledge. Better physical shape. Better mental mindset. Better speaking. Better women, better cars, better lifestyle. That's what it all comes down to at the end of the day. You know, getting closer to God. Just trying to be a better overall human being, so then I can show others how to do that and make income doing that. Trading stocks. Got a truck company that's going to shit. Don't really like it. We'll be getting rid of that. We're just focusing on trading and you know, doing things of that nature as well. So, yeah. It's your boy TC, man. Thanks for watching the video. I'm just about to cruise, man. You know what I'm saying? Saying my last goodbyes to this whipper. Hopefully, they're not really tripping. I'm gonna be like 15 minutes late. But they not even gonna care. First of all, the doors don't even open till 10 o'clock. So, I don't really see why they would trip about that. But I was up. I was out till like 1 a.m. something. Then I woke up at
In 1,000 feet,
like 5:30.